Hello, precious student. This is Patrick, your prime tutor. This is my assistive teaching AI avatar to help you ensure you thoroughly understood the topic in case you struggled to understand it during the live session with me. Hope you have an engaging, insightful, and worthwhile experience. Let's begin.
नमस्ते प्रिय छात्र, मैं पैट्रिक हूँ, आपका प्राइम ट्यूटर। यह मेरा सहायक शिक्षण एआई अवतार है जो आपको मेरे साथ लाइव सत्र में सीखे गए विषय को बेहतर ढंग से समझने में मदद करेगा। यदि यह स्पष्ट नहीं था, मुझे आशा है कि आपका अनुभव आकर्षक, व्यावहारिक और रोमांचक होगा।
Well, the good news is that you can use an epic site called heygen.com, make the reality of extending your content to as many people as possible very possible, okay, without you having to speak all the time. And there is limitless possibilities to applying this use of your custom avatars, from using your custom avatars to translate in different forms of languages that different kinds of people can hear, which can serve so great for your advertisement, making them reach other languages, to doing supplementary courses, okay, for your students where you don't have to be physically available. So it's really, really advantageous. We want to begin by just typing www.agent.com. All right, that's the site. And once you visit the site, you are going to be met with this, and all you need to do is just go and press sign up for free. Okay, and before we even go ahead to sign up for free, of course there are the pricing plans, okay, that are available, like you see here. Okay, there's the free to the aggregated plans from free to enterprise. Okay, and if you want to test the waters, of course you can go for the free plan. And actually the free plan can really suffice for you to a very large extent, depending on the scale of what you want to do. For example, if you want to use it for ads, okay, which are usually not less than more than 5 to 3 minutes, okay, it can really, really suffice. And the good thing is that with this free plan, look at what you have available for you: 3 videos per month. Okay, so you can create 3 videos per month with it. You can create videos up to 3 minutes, so a total of 9 minutes. So for example, if for a particular video you want it to be over 3 minutes, you could create sections like 3 minutes, another 3 minutes, and what have you. Okay, it has a standard quality video export of 720p, which you can actually download, which is quite cool, okay, for a free version. And you can have 3 avatar, 4 videos per month, okay. And look down here, you can have one custom video, okay. You can have one custom video to work with. That is, you can customize your own personal video to work with. Okay, so let me start with the choose free. And upon choosing the free one, it will ask you for details like this: what brings you to Heygen. You can just specify which one fits you. Okay, so I'm just going to pick any option that I feel is suitable for me. Then okay, I think you can pick only one, so I'll just press continue. So I'll just go ahead. So you just fill in the details, and it's just to know a bit more about you here. Okay, it may not really affect much. So okay, so let me press submit. So having done this, the next thing we want to do now is we want to go to where we can custom create our avatar. Okay, and you can either go to this avatar section here, or let's just go to the avatar section. Okay, and you go to the option that says create new avatar. So you have two options here. To start with video, okay, which is the most realistic, where you upload or record video footage to create your first look, okay. And the next one is to start with photo, and I would advise that you do the start with video, okay. And the good thing about this is that it gives you a walkthrough on how you should create your custom avatar. To quickly walk you through it, a good way to record yourself would be that you take short pauses intermittently, you limit the movement of your hands, okay. Don't be too away and out, in the movement of your hands, okay. And look straight to the camera, okay. So these are some of the good precautions you should make sure that your video comes out quite well, okay. Whichever position you want to be in, it depends on you. For example, I just did this one as a sample, aside the one I
Hello,
showed
dear
you
learner.
earlier.
It's Patrick here, your design and digital trainer. I hope you are in the right frame of mind to be able to engage this course we are about to experience in the best possible way. Make sure you are in a very quiet environment and you ensure that you have good internet access, as well as getting ready to apply the practical works we are going to be engaging in this course. Of course, feel very free to give feedback, to message me and communicate with me should you have issues understanding certain concepts or applying them.
So you can see this is quite a good example of what I mean. Make sure you take good pauses in intermittently so that I can really read, and make sure that your custom avatar is as natural as possible. Also try to blink your eyes, every once in a while so that it looks more realistic, because you can't just be speaking and your eyes just open all the way. Yes. So that's for that. So after you go through the introduction, you will go through the instruction just like I've said earlier, okay. Then you go to the upload, which is next. Now, they will ask you to upload at least 30 seconds, okay, of video clip. But they will say that 2 to 10 minutes is recommended, okay. So at least 30 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and browse my local file and search for the video I just created. Okay, there it is. So I'll upload it now, and it says keep ambient sounds in my recording. Guys, your voice could sound more natural with subtle ambient sounds, okay. So this is left for you to choose, but of course you can't do these two because it's in the paid plan, okay. So if keep ambient sounds in my recording could sound more natural, okay, well, okay, let me say yes. So I'll go for next. Then of course it will say upload consent, okay. So to say please record a quick video reading the following script. So it wants to make sure that the video you put is you, actually you are not trying to use someone else's avatar, right, to do what you want to do. So this is where the consent stuff comes into play, okay. So make sure that you are ready, whether you want to record via your webcam or record via your phone, okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to record via my webcam. All right, I've just gone ahead to take the consent video. I couldn't record me taking the consent in your viewing because your camera has to be completely free, and the recorder I was using was making use of the camera. But all you need to understand is that it will need that consent video. Once you take it and say what it needs you to say, and you submit, and they see that you are the same person with the video you uploaded, they would say that it is successful. All right, and I have here now the successfully created custom avatar video. So let's check it out.
Hey, Patrick Oche, your hyper realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So there it is. So it has successfully created it, and that's basically how you can, create your avatar. Okay, your own custom avatar to use for whatever you need to use for. And just a little tip, you could go ahead and create a video, let's say portrait, landscape, let's say landscape. All right, and of course, no, I got this, I can handle this. That's if that onboarding just came up because I just opened this account, but normally it will take you there straight up. But if you are just opening your account, you are going to face that onboarding process where you want to more or less learn how to create. Okay, so now it will give you this custom avatar. All right, but I definitely don't want this, so I'll left click on it and just press delete on my keyboard. And what I want to do now is to go to avatars. All right, and I look for this one I just created, and I tap it. So it's loading it. So when I do this, it will load it in. All right, and the next thing I want to do now is to add a script. So I'll say type your script here. Okay, so I can just come here and type whatever script I want to type, and I can say hello there, it is nice to meet you, how are you doing? Okay, now the cool thing is, for example, if you wanted to create a video that would have another language, okay, instead of English, maybe you wanted to create it for another set of people that speak different language, I can just go ahead and copy what I've just stated here. Okay, and go to the translate option. Okay, and come to the part, let's say Spanish, let me say Spanish or something, and I left click on Spanish. Okay, and I say translate. Okay, now this is the translation of what I've just said, and I can just press apply. Okay, so the script now is in Spanish language. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and save, okay, to generate the clip. Okay, I could go ahead and preview it, but for time's sake, I'll just go to generate, and I'll just call the name Spanish welcome. Okay, Spanish welcome. Add to my videos folder. Yes, this is all okay. Of course, you can't remove the watermark because it's free, but in that lower place it can easily be, changed to your logo or whatever you need, because you could easily just do that. So it says video created, and of course they want us to recommend them. Honestly, I'll give them a 9. They are really epic, and I'll just press submit. And okay, it says 13% ready. I thought it would be ready by now. Oh wow, that's fast. It's already done with creating. So I just need to left click and press watch, and we'll get to see what it has done.
Hola, es un placer conocerte. ¿Cómo estás?
I didn't didn't know I could speak Spanish.
Hola, es un placer conocerte. ¿Cómo estás?
Goodbye. Please like, subscribe, press the notification icon for more insightful videos. Thank you so much.